Listen, a good pair of in-ear monitors can be the difference between muddy, tiring sound and clear, detailed audio that you can enjoy or perform with for hours, even on a tight budget. In this video, you'll see budget IEMs that still give you punchy sound, comfort for long sessions, and the clarity singers and performers need to stay in tune, whether it's for a daily commute, rehearsals, or your next festival set. And all the product links are waiting in the description if you want to check the latest prices. 1. Shure SE215. PRO Shure SE215 SE215. PRO delivers detailed sound with enhanced bass for personal listening or professional monitoring. It boasts a sensitivity of 20 ohms and 107 decibels. A single-vented balanced armature driver lets you hear your music the way it was meant to be heard. Noise-canceling technology blocks up to 37 decibels of noise, eliminating distractions and ensuring sound comes through clearly and faithfully. 2. BASN B-Master Triple Driver IEM. The BASN IEM B-Master Triple Driver performs well in all areas, making it the perfect all-rounder. First, the sound quality is excellent, with clear highs, deep lows, and balanced mids. The included ear tips and ergonomic housing design ensure a comfortable and secure fit. Best of all, the metal housing and braided cable make it extremely durable. This is a great choice for anyone looking for a high-quality IEM on a budget. 3. Final Audio E2000 Earphones. Technically, the Final Audio E2000 doesn't meet the usual criteria for an IEM, but its price and value for money make it worth adding to the list. These durable black IEMs boast an incredibly durable aluminum construction. It also comes with a portable carrying case, making it much easier to take it to gigs. It's a small thing, but in lists like this, little things add up and make a big difference. 4. Moondrop Area Moondrop has had a lot of success with its earphones recently. The variation, for example, was a huge hit, rivaling some of the best tribrid designs on the market. So the stage was set for them to launch the budget-friendly earphones Moondrop Aria earlier this year. Few audiophiles can match the sound quality for the price. 5. Linsol 7 HZ Salnotes 0 Hi-Fi 10mm. If you're new to IEMs, an amateur musician or a learner audio technician, you'll be satisfied with the Linsol 7 HZ Salnotes 07 HZ Salnotes 0 Hi-Fi 10mm dynamic driver in-ear earphones, even if they're inadequate, especially if you are trying out IEMs for the first time. You also have the option of an integrated microphone via a detachable OFC cable. 6. BASN B-Singer Pro BASN offers a variety of IEMs. It's definitely the best in terms of variety. But we like the $50 bracket for the best budget IEMs, the BASN B-Singer Pro in-ear monitor headphones. Dual dynamic drivers deliver clean vocals, highs, mids, aggressive attack, and slow decay that make it fantastic for musicians and critics, even at this affordable price point. If one of these budget IEMs looks like the perfect match for your ears and your wallet, drop your favorite pick in the comments and tell me how you plan to use it: stage, studio, or everyday music. Hit like, subscribe for more IEM and audio gear guides, and remember, every product link is in the description if you're ready to dive deeper into specs, reviews, or prices.